So it's a spring break and we're headed to Tillamook.
Hey look, there's so many cows.
We're at Tillamook Creamery and it's a 1.5 hour drive.
I'm driving.
I'll drive here now.
Yeah.
We are waiting for our friends.
Yeah.
What are those big boxes?
It's cheese.
Real cheese?
No, we're just boxes with yellow wrapping paper.
Wow, there are so many types of cows.
We can also pretend to feed a baby calf some milk by it isn't a real baby calf.
Farmers can attach a milking device to a cow in 21 seconds, and they give us a chance to try it and beat the time. We were not able to, of course not, because only farmers can do that.
Yeah, because only farmers can do that. Of course only farmers can do that. We're just kids. We don't even know how to do that.
Then we were able to see how the cheese was made.
First the milk is boiled and then cheese maker is added to the milk.
Then the cheese is cut into blocks and vacuum sealed.
Then the cheese is put into the fridge from 6 months to 6 years.
Then we got to see a movie about how ice cream is made.
So after 6 years, the cheese is cut into blocks.
Wow. Then the cheese is weighed to make sure all the cheese blocks are the exact same weight. And then they're also cut into small blocks of the same weight. And they even remove the strips if it's overweight, and they add strips if it's underweight. And all the strips they cut off are used for shredded cheese.
Cheese block is coming, and here the cover is coming from down. Cheese going on top.
That is good.
Did you know that Tillamook invented sour cream?
Then we got to sample some free cheese, which is cool. Then the best part, we got to eat ice cream!
How is it?
Go to Tillamook, eat the ice cream, enjoy. Woohoo!